Welcome to the Gameplay Animation Workshop hosted by Adonai Games Trade School. This is Pratyush Srivastava, and I am the lead combat animation programmer for Yahweh Games LLC. Over this workshop, we're going to be learning plenty of things. I am primarily going to be dealing with the programming part and how animations are actually put into a game engine and how they work from there. I have a detailed schedule of what we're going to be doing over the next 10 weeks. This is the time schedule that we have agreed on, that we're going to be going Monday to Thursday, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mondays it's going to be taken by Vincent about animation. Tuesdays and Wednesdays is going to be with me for programming, and Thursdays is going to be a practical hands-on experience where we can learn from working on an actual project. Fridays are going to be additional time in case anybody else needs help or in case we run into some issues during the entire week. So today we went over the basics of what characters are, how 3D characters function, how their animations are decided, and what makes them work. We will primarily be working with Unreal Engine 4, which is why we are going to install Unreal Engine 4.26. You can download that from the Epic Game Store under Unreal Engine. Make sure it's 4.26.2. We also did decide that we're going to be using source control. A tutorial for that will be posted shortly after, and that will help us collaborate and work together on this project. We also looked at all the things that we're going to be doing in terms of familiarizing ourselves with the Unreal interface, all the way up to how programming in Unreal works under a blueprinting system, how animation blueprints counter, how animation blueprints differ from actual blueprints and how they complement each other, how they work together to function as a separate entity. We also went over different kinds of blend spaces and how animations and code works together, where you have a transition between two animations and what starts the animation or what will precede the animation. We went over what blend spaces do, how we can have different parameters defining what animation should be played by how much and how it's blended over. So these are the things that we're going to be learning over the course of the next 10 weeks, and how we can import characters from scratch from 3ds Max as a skeletal mesh along with all the materials, general bug fixing for those. We will be working on the functionality of characters, and so on and so forth. And that is about it. That's all we did for today.